well. Okay, so one by one, I will be taking the feedback by putting a question or sharing the question. So just read yourself the question once I am reading for you people. Question number one, show how will you deal with the following items in the final accounts of Chetak Club, Jaipur, as at 31st March 2019. Right? The information is given: prize fund on 1st April 2018, 80,000. Interest on prize fund investment, 6,000. Prize given or prize awarded, whatever it will be written, that is 10,000. 10% prize fund investment on April 18, 60,000. Donation for prize fund, 25,000. So now this is the question in front of you, and just you start to solve and give your answer into the chat box. I hope the question is visible to all of you. Yes. So Deepal, question is visible proper? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now start everyone solving and put your answer in chat box, and it should be written on your class notebook also by the heading of revision or feedback from this topic जो मैंने लिखा हुआ है, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 करके आप लोग फटाफट लिख के हमें सॉल्व करके दिखाइए. यू आर गेटिंग
Done, sir.
3 minutes. Okay, very good, Raz Bihari. Your answer has come. Chetan Patwa also has written, but I have to check what will be the correct answer. Ras Bihari has given different answer and Chetan Patwa has given different answer. So I am waiting from others also. I am not going to speak the answer. Student can see itself. ओके, सो आप लोग प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट बनाएंगे और फिर सॉल्व करेंगे, नॉट रफली टू कैलकुलेट ओनली, बिकॉज रिविजन मीन्स यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर इनटू द फॉर्मेट. यस, अदर स्टूडेंट ज्योत्सना, करुणानिधि, वैभव, दीपल जैन, आरती गुप्ता, सिद्धार्थ सिंह, नमन वर्मा. Siddharth Singh answer is 91,91,000. Okay, 3 student has given and all are given different answer. Karunanidhi, Jyotsna Singh, Naman Verma, Deepal Jain, everyone. This will tell me ki how much you are doing a study at home. Shahnawaz has given different answer. Okay. Deepal Jain also. Yani each and every student has given unique answer. Total 5 student has given so far. Karunanidhi, Jyotsna Singh, Naman Verma. Where are others student bhai? Now Jyotsna Singh, Jyotsna Singh, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
बेटा where is your answer?
Sir, कर रहे हैं.
करुणानिधि,
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा your answer?
Sir, कर रहे हैं.
बट जल्दी करो, बहुत समय लग रहा है ना, अभी और भी क्वेश्चंस हैं. वैभव, योर आंसर? वैभव, अनम्यूट योर माइक. Vaibhav, are you there? I think he's not there. He's not listening. Okay. So let me check. Kuldeep Misra, he has joined now. Kuldeep, you have joined now?
हाँ सर, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो ही नहीं रहा था ज्वाइन.
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं बेटा. क्वेश्चन
कर
आप
देते.
एक क्वेश्चन सामने है, उसको सॉल्व करके उसका आंसर चैट बॉक्स में आप सेंड करो. फंड बेस्ड अकाउंटिंग का, क्योंकि फीडबैक सारे टॉपिक से लेना है, तो अभी हम फंड बेस्ड के जितने क्वेश्चंस पॉसिबल 3-4 हो सकते हैं, पहले वो मैं प्रैक्टिस कराऊंगा. अभी सब्सक्रिप्शन और कंज्यूमेबल गुड्स तो रिसेंटली यू हैड स्टडीड. Almost a student has given, but few students have not given the answer. I were not responding. Okay. So now Raj Bihari.
यस सर.
हाँ बेटा, तो आपने फॉर्मेट बनाकर किया है या जस्ट लाइक दैट ओनली यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड?
सर फॉर्मेट बना के किए.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड. तो देखो, जितने लोगों को नहीं आ रहा है, जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द सॉल्यूशन, because concept should be clear. Already I have taught any kind of special fund is there, and whatever the income and expenses related to that special fund is available in the information should be adjusted into the same fund. Means income related to same fund should be added, and expenses related to same fund will be minus. And investment, it is an assets, and whatever interest you will be receiving on investment, so you have to see that that is only investment or fund investment. If there is some special fund investment, so whatever income you will be getting on that investment will be treated as an income of that fund, so that interest should be added into the fund, because it shows that the investment has been made from the particular fund. So whatever income we earn on that investment should go to that special fund. Okay, so here in this question, prize fund opening balance is given 80,000. Interest on prize fund investment will be added in the same fund, and donation for prize fund also will be added in the same fund. Then you will do total, then you will minus prize given or prize awarded. So you will be getting the final answer of the prize fund, and 10% prize fund investment should be shown into the asset side. This will be the solution. So now I am going to show you solution. See. Okay. See students, in front of you the solution is here. Balance sheet as at 31st March 18, 10% prize fund investment into the asset side. Prize fund opening balance is 80,000. Interest on prize fund investment 6,000. Donation for prize fund 25,000. So these all two things are income related to that fund, so it should be added, and the total you are getting 1,11,000. And now less expenses related to prize fund, that is prize given or prize awarded, that is given 10,000. So you should minus this and you will be getting the final answer 1,01,000. So how many student has given 1,01,000? Just let me check. Okay, good. So here I can, yes, Siddharth Singh 1,01,000, Naman Verma 1,01,000, Josna 1,01,000, Deepal Jain 1,01,000, Ras Bihari is given very first at first number 1,01,000. Chetan Patra has given wrong answer. Shahnwaz has given correct answer. Okay. Deepal Jain second time has given correct answer. So good. Who has not understood earlier, they can understand now. Okay, students. So I hope this is clear to all of you. So 1 minute. Okay, students. So first question is clear to all of you. Solution is also clear. Now this is the second question. Okay. So second question is in front of you. How will the following information of Patna Sports Club be presented in the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2021 and its balance sheet as at that date? The information is match expenses as on 1st April 2020 4 lakhs, donation for match fund 3,10,000, match expenses 10 lakhs, sale of match tickets 1,50,000. Now do yourself. Take your time and just prepare the format. So here it is saying कि कैसे income expenditure और balance sheet में present किया जाएगा. So you should understand कि which amount to be shown in income and expenditure account and which amount to be shown in the balance sheet. It is also related to special fund. Now start doing. So student, you all are ready? Question is visible? Ras Bihari, Deepal Jain. Deepal Jain has given 1,40,000 will be loss. Ras Bihari Singh 1,40,000 in income and expenditure account. So just you have to prepare balance sheet also. Just prepare the format. I can understand your answer may be correct, but you have to prepare the format. It will take time and present into the process. I'm waiting from others. Good answer. आप लोगों ने फर्स्ट टाइम इनिशिएटिव सबसे पहले लिया. आई लाइक इट. Yes. Other student start doing. Kuldeep Misra, Shahnawaz, Jyotsna, Karunanidhi, Chetan Patwar, Vaibhav, Siddharth. Vaibhav has not given the first question answer. Now, Siddharth Singh 1,40,000 in income and expenditure account. Jyotsna Singh 1,40,000. Okay, good. I'm waiting from others also. Then I'll be checking the answer. Karunanidhi is living. I think is not getting the question. I'm waiting answers from others also. Shahnawaz. Okay, Naman has prepared the format. Shahnawaz answer is 1,40,000. ओके सो बेटा आप लोग 1,40,000 समझ के भी लिखना है. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो लोग बस आंसर देख करके रिप्लाई कर देते हैं, बट ध्यान दो आप लोग प्रैक्टिस भी करना है. दिस इज द प्रैक्टिस क्लास. I want to know कि how much you are getting, because this the same question you will be getting in the full-fledged question. So you should be able to solve over there. Okay. So now I am going to present you solution. Wait. So students, solution number 2. See how to be solved. Who is not getting? So students, this is in front of you. Question number 2. First, we prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2021 and balance sheet as at 31st March 2021. So first we record in balance sheet, as you know, match fund is a special fund. The opening balance is given 4 lakhs. Then you will add donation for match fund receipt 3,10,000 and you will add sale of match tickets. So total you are getting as an income 8,60,000. But you have incurred on match expenses rupees 10 lakhs. So but 10 lakh is excess than your income, so you cannot minus full 10 lakh rupees from 8,60,000. So you will minus only up to the income. So 8,60,000 is your fund income. Your fund is here, so you can minus only 8,60,000. In balance sheet column you will be showing nil or dash, and the remaining 1,40,000 is an expenditure, and there is no any special fund available for that expenditure. So whatever the expenditure we incurred during the year and there is no any fund available, so it should be shown into the debit side of income and expenditure account. So here in expenditure side, to match expenses 1,40,000, how 10 lakh is an expenses, 8,60,000 income. सो माइनस करके हमने 1,40,000 यहाँ दिखा दिया, क्योंकि इस 1,40,000 के लिए कोई भी फंड हमारे पास अब बचा नहीं है. तो कोई भी ऐसा एक्सपेंसेस जिससे रिलेटेड कोई फंड नहीं है वो एक्सपेंसेज में जाता है, मतलब जनरल इनकम, जनरल एक्सपेंसेज अगर है. ओके, so I hope this is clear to all of you. Who has not solved yet, they can take the screenshot of it. Okay, done screenshot. A screenshot is done, they can raise their hand. Yes. Okay. So now I am coming to the next question. Okay, students. So next question is, how the following items for the year ended 31st March 2018 will be presented in the financial statement of ISCO Club. So students, this is the question in front of you, and you have to show how this item will be treated in the financial statement. Means you will be preparing income expenditure account or balance sheet. Whatever is required, you have to choose on basis of your concept and the information supplied to you. This is not a receipt and payment account. This is a trial balance because debit and credit balance is given. Left hand side debit and right hand side credit. And you know that in debit side, two things would be there, expenses and assets, and in credit side, liability, income and capital. So here capital would not be, because this is an extract related to tournament fund. So now start doing, everyone. Additional information is here. Interest accrued on tournament fund investment 6,000, and income from tournament fund investment you have received 18,000 and 6,000 is accrued. Tournament expenses 12,000, tournament fund investment 150, tournament fund 1,50,000. Okay, so start doing, students. This is the board exam question. So you know the concept of fund and investment expenses income, how to record. Just start doing. राज बिहारी सिंह हैज़ गिवन, वेरी गुड राज बिहारी, आप बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हो। आपका आंसर यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, कुछ अमाउंट है लायबिलिटी में और एसेट्स में, दो अमाउंट लिखा है आपने, वेरी गुड। बाकी लोगों का भी आंसर आने दीजिए, जस्ट आई वांट टू चेक। यस, क्वेश्चन सेम है, इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन, चेतन, दीपल, ज्योत्सना, करुणा, कुलदीप, बेटा गिव आंसर.
Sir, I have given my answer.
Huh? You have given, na? Okay. Just I'm checking, but I'm asking from other student also. I have taken your name. Yes, only Ras Bihari's answer is showing yes. Now Siddharth Singh answer has come. Dipal Chan, you had given 1,50,000.
Yes, sir.
ओके. चेतन पतवा, ओके कोई बात नहीं बेटा चेतन, अभी मैं सॉल्यूशन बताऊंगा तो ध्यान दोगे आप कैसे होना है. सिद्धार्थ सिंह 1,50,000, 6,000 in asset side of balance sheet and 1,62,000 in liability side. Same answer. It is tallied with the Ras Bihari, and from others also I want. Naman Verma, Shahnawaz, Vaibhav has come or not? Vaibhav only has joined, I think, is not answering. Vaibhav, unmute your mic. Shahnawaz. Shahnawaz, are you solving?
सर नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं बेटा नहीं आ रहा है तो ठीक है मैं बताऊंगा, लेकिन आप बताओ सभी लोग कि आ रहा है नहीं, जैसे चेतन ने बताया कि नहीं आ रहा है तो उस तरह आप बताओ, बिकॉज आई एम वेटिंग. ओके चलो ठीक है, फिर मैं सॉल्यूशन दिखा रहा हूँ इसका कैसे होना है. ठीक है. Yes. See the solution in balance sheet as at 31st March 2018. Liability side, first you will write tournament fund. How much given? 1,50,000. Then you will add income from tournament fund investment, TFI, tournament fund investment. So देखो कितना लिखा है, income from tournament fund investment 18,000. ओके. और इसके ऊपर टूर्नामेंट फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट दिया, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट एज यू नो दैट कि ऑलवेज बी रिकॉर्ड इनटू द एसेट साइड. तो टूर्नामेंट फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट 1,50,000 इनटू द एसेट साइड. And in additional information you will find interest accrued on tournament fund investment 6,000. It means कि income from tournament fund investment we have received 18,000 but still in arrear, अभी हमको और लेना है 6,000. This is what accrued income. So accrued income should be added where the income from tournament fund investment is going to add. So income from tournament fund investment 18,000 plus accrued interest on tournament fund investment 6,000. Total it will 1,74,000 and now you will minus tournament expenses 12,000. देखो इसमें कुछ ऐसा नया नहीं था, 162 आ गया. और जो एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन अक्रूड है यहाँ भी ऐड किया हमने, और अलग से एसेट्स में भी दिखाना होगा. अक्रूड इंटरेस्ट ऑन टूर्नामेंट फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट 6,000. राइट. तो अक्रूड इंटरेस्ट का कॉन्सेप्ट ही है कि अगर एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन में गिवन है तो इसका रिकॉर्ड 2 टाइम्स होता है. अब ये जनरल इनकम होता तो हम इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर में दिखाते हैं और फिर एसेट्स में दिखाते हैं। क्योंकि ये इनकम जो है वो टूर्नामेंट फंड से रिलेटेड है, इसलिए टूर्नामेंट फंड में ऐड किया अक्रूड इनकम को और फिर वापस एसेट्स में, यानी अक्रूड हमेशा एसेट्स में दिखाते हैं। ऐड कहाँ करेंगे ये डिपेंड करता है कि किस टाइप का एक्सपेंसेज है, वो जनरल एक्सपेंसेज है या स्पेशल एक्सपेंसेज है। अगर सॉरी जनरल इनकम है या स्पेशल इनकम है। अगर से वो जनरल इनकम होता तो इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट के इनकम साइड में रिलेटेड इनकम में ऐड कर देते हैं अक्रूड इनकम, क्लास 11 में भी पढ़े हो। और स्पेशल इनकम है, चूँकि ये इनकम जो है वो फंड से रिलेटेड है, इसलिए हम उस फंड में ऐड करेंगे। ठीक है, सो टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट। 1,62,000 और इधर 150-60, यानी राज बिहारी का, सिद्धार्थ का, इन लोगों का आंसर करेक्ट था जितने लोगों ने ऐसा आंसर दिया था। ठीक है, टेक एन स्क्रीनशॉट।
Yes, sir.
Okay, now last question of today's class related to fund waste. तो आप सभी लोग देखिए ये क्वेश्चन है। अब इतना अगर फंड वेस्ट का क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो, बाकी आप बुक से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, तो यू कैन सॉल्व। शो हाउ विल यू डील with the following items while preparing the final accounts of a NPO for the year ending 31st March 2020. Building fund as on 1st April 19, this is opening fund. Opening balance of this fund is 8 lakhs. Donation receipt for building during the year 12 lakhs. Expenditure on construction of building during the year 7 lakhs. Capital fund as on 1st April 19, 10 lakhs. Life membership fee received 50,000. And the information is given the construction work is in progress and has not yet completed. Means whatever the expenditure we have done on construction of building during the year 7 lakh, this is under work in progress. Okay, so now you have to deal with these items into the financial statement. So how to prepare? You start preparing. I have taught this question, this type of question also. Who does not know, they can wait, but I'm expecting answers from students. Let's see who will be giving first. You may take the screenshot of all the question also. Naman Verma has given previous questions answer. Yes, what have done? Raj Nihari Singh has given 17 lakhs capital fund, 1,30,000 building fund, 13 lakh building fund. Okay. On asset side, 50,000 life membership fee, and assets अच्छा जिसको जिसको नहीं आ रहा है दे कैन राइट इन चैट बॉक्स सर आई डोंट हैव आइडिया सिद्धार्थ सिंह का 17,50,000 कैपिटल फंड इज गुड बाकी 13 lakhs बिल्डिंग का है उल्लास बिहारी का एसेट 7 lakh गुड और किसी को नहीं आ रहा आई थिंक चलो ठीक है मैं दिखाता हूँ आंसर इसका आप सभी लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो See the answer. Balance sheet as at 31st March 2017. Liability side. Capital fund is opening balance given 10 lakhs. Add life membership fee 50,000 and add transferred from building fund. So whatever amount of building fund we are using for the construction means this is not revenue expenses. This is a capital expenditure. Capital expenditure create an assets. So this will reduce our fund and increase our assets. So building fund 8 lakh and donation for building we have received 12 lakhs 20 lakhs and less transfer to capital fund. Okay, so first from building fund we have to transfer general fund or capital fund 7 lakh. So 13 lakh is the answer of building fund and this 7 lakh to be added into the capital fund. So 10 lakh plus 50,000 plus transfer from building fund 7 lakhs. The total it will be 17 lakhs 50,000. And in asset side, construction of building 7 lakhs work in progress because in the information it has been given not yet completed the building construction. It is on progress. So work in progress we should write. So take the screenshot students and if you all have taken the screenshot of all the question of today, so you should do practice again the same question if you are not prepared well. So in next class I'll be presenting another set of question what I had taught you people. So be prepared and do the practice at home. Then you will understand and you will enjoy. If you are not doing study at home, you will not enjoy because you will be always in doubt how it will be solved. Okay, so I hope taken a screenshot by you all people. You all have taken the screenshot. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So now where